On a lighter note, I still remember when I first started investing, I was so nervous about the market crashing that I ended up checking my portfolio every hour. It was like having a new, anxiety-inducing hobby. I'm sure some of you can relate. How many of you have friends who constantly stress about their investments? We've all had those moments of panic when the market dips, but have you ever stopped to think about what actually causes these crashes? Humor can help ease the tension, but the reality is that stock market crashes can be devastating. Think about it: one day, your investments are doing great, and the next, they're plummeting. It's like a roller coaster ride that you can't get off. So, what are the key factors that trigger these crashes? Well, for starters, there are economic indicators. Things like unemployment rates, inflation, and GDP growth can all play a role. Then there's investor psychology. Fear and greed can drive people to make irrational decisions, leading to a crash. Specific headlines can also cause turmoil. Think about it: a single news story can spark a wave of panic selling. Economic indicators like unemployment rates and GDP growth are crucial. When these numbers are high or low, it can signal to investors that the economy is in trouble. For example, if unemployment is rising, people might start to worry that consumers will have less money to spend, which can hurt businesses and, in turn, their stock prices. This fear can lead to a sell-off, driving prices down even further. Investor psychology also plays a huge role. When investors are fearful, they tend to sell their stocks, which can drive prices down. And when they're greedy, they buy more, driving prices up. But sometimes, this fear and greed can get out of control, leading to a crash. Think about it: if everyone starts selling their stocks at the same time, prices will plummet. It's a classic case of mass hysteria. Specific headlines can also cause a stir. Think about it: a single news story can spark a wave of panic selling. For example, if there's a major geopolitical event, like a war or a terrorist attack, investors might start to worry about the impact on the economy. This worry can lead to a sell-off, driving prices down. But it's not just big news events that can trigger a crash. Sometimes, it's the little things that can add up. For example, a company might release a bad earnings report, or a major investor might sell off a large chunk of stock. These small events can snowball into a bigger problem, leading to a crash. History is full of examples of stock market crashes triggered by major headlines. The 2008 financial crisis, for instance, was sparked by the housing bubble bursting. The COVID-19 pandemic also led to a massive market crash, as lockdowns and travel restrictions brought the global economy to a standstill. The 1987 crash, also known as Black Monday, was another significant event. On that day, stock markets around the world plummeted, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling by over 22%. It was a day that will be etched in the memories of investors forever. These crashes are often unexpected and can have severe consequences. So, what can we learn from them? By analyzing the causes and effects of these crashes, we can gain a better understanding of what triggers them. So, what do you think? How do you react when the market dips? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever had a moment of panic when your investments dropped? Let's talk about it. One surprising statistic that highlights the unpredictability of the stock market is that nearly 40% of stock market crashes are caused by external events, like natural disasters or geopolitical conflicts. This just goes to show how interconnected the global economy is and how vulnerable it can be to shocks. Wrapping up, it's clear that stock market crashes are complex events influenced by a mix of economic indicators, investor psychology, and major headlines. While it's impossible to predict with certainty when a crash will happen, understanding these factors can help you make more informed investment decisions.